Iraq is reportedly negotiating with China to procure FD-2000 surface-to-air defense missile (SAM) systems. The FD-2000 is the export variant of the HQ-9, a long-range semi-active radar homing (SARH) system developed by the Chinese defense industry. The missile is capable of intercepting precision-guided weapons as well as drones, helicopters, and fighter aircraft. The missile of the FD-2000 is armed with a 180 kg warhead, has a maximum speed of Mach 4.2 and has a maximum range of 125 km up to an altitude of 27 km. The FD-2000B is an improved version that has a maximum firing range of 300 km and is equipped with a passive infrared seeker.